I am back from the sea and the sun. Charge AF with codes, downloads, and activation. I consider this place part of Atlantis, Lemuria, inheritance. And if you clicked on this video, you are must certainly here as a star seed, as a healer on this planet to perform your magic. And I am here with my gifts, talents, and abilities to help you reach your highest timeline, your true, authentic self. If this resonates, thank you for being here. Click subscribe as it's going to help my channel to grow. Therefore, it's going to help my medicine to reach the world. I am hearing that you're a bliss and your mission, your trials and tribulation are becoming your wealth. The amount of wealth you're going to get and build on this lifetime is directly connected to the amount of pain you've been through. I'm feeling you emotional right now, and I'm feeling a throat activation. So your voice is activating for you to align with your truth. You're here, and I'm hearing, feeling and speaking your truth is going to build your wealth, is going to get you rich, abundant, because you're here to build an empire. Now, get me right. This royal abundance I'm hearing is your inheritance. Your ancestors fought very hard to get what you're about to get. They were waiting for a soul to break the generational curse placed on the family. And for some of you, it took 6, 7, 8, 9 generations to break it, because you carry within your DNA special codes that other light workers and me are capable to activate. You're the hidden gem that is going to turn your family to wealth. This wealth is destined to build the new earth. You're here to implement new structures, new way of thinking, and you have been chosen to be able to lead, teach, heal in a new way, not as you've been told to do, but you are here to, I keep hearing, implement new strategy, management, way of living. And you carry with your shoulders, you carry on your shoulders very high responsibilities. God is preparing a magic, big, giant surprise for you as a reward. And again, it's going to happen overnight, just when you will not expect it. You're going to click. The missing piece is going to click, and this is going to change the game. Now, I want you to close your eyes, and I'm going to help your system get activated with Lemurian, Atlantean codes. Merlin, Astronaut Master Merlin is here. I'm talking to someone that is very wise and most definitively connecting to thought, God, wisdom, chamber of amenity. Enie ko watari nakata iyo su unuto uaga. No. Rainbow dragons around Mother Earth. Ooh, you're living this turmoil. Six of Swords. You're living this life. You're living, you being trapped in your mind. This is the end. You are going to be celebrating love. You are in someone's head, and or you have someone in your mind. Maybe you were overthinking this process. Love is in the air, I'm hearing. And this love that you're referring to immediately when I said love is going to bring you this solid, strategic, I keep hearing, family. This is long-term business partnership, building an empire, power couple. This is not going to resonate with everybody, but it's going to resonate with you if you found this video. Now they want me to grab one card, leaving the veil. This is, question everything. I think this is connecting to love. You're about to meet someone you never could imagine you're going to be with this person. But believe me, God no made mistakes. So trust the plan. Believe me. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. And until next time, I love this love energy. Namaste.